So far, we have seen writing SOQL queries in Apex methods and fetching the data and displaying them in Visualforce pages. And in this session, we'll be looking at how to write SOQL queries back in our JavaScript and get the values displayed in our Visualforce pages. And if you look at what I've got a Visualforce page, and it is basically a blank Visualforce page. And we'll be powering this Visualforce page in such a way that we'll be writing the SOQL query in the JavaScript and we'll be displaying the records back in this Visualforce page. And the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the connection.js script tags into this, and that is going to be something like this. So it is basically script tags. SRC is the attribute we'll be making use of, and it is going to be /soap /ajax /45.0 and connection.js. And we don't have to bother about the base domain here. It will be added dynamically by the framework, and the current API version is 45.0, hence this 45.0. At a later point of time, when a couple of other releases are released, this will be 46, 47, 48, so on and so forth. And one beauty here is backward compatibility is completely possible. As in, if I try to write this Visualforce page with 45th version of connection.js, and at a later point of time when there are few other releases which are released, let us say that the current release is 50, then the Visualforce page which has got 45th version will completely work fine. You don't have to come back to this Visualforce page and change this 45th version to 50th version. That is what I mean when I say backward compatibility is supported in this JS files. And the next attribute is going to be text, and it is text /JavaScript, and the script tag is closed. Post which, let me go ahead and try to add a body tag, and I'll try to have a head tag within which I'll try to wrap all the JavaScript code.